Line your baking tray 8 by 10 inches with some greaseproof paper. So there's the ingredients. I'm not sure why I videoed it. You can see what they are, but I'll tell you how much later on. Put the saucepan on the hob at a low heat and preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or gas Mach 5. 1 wooden spoon and 3 tablespoons. We need 300 grams of oats, 125 grams of soft brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 150 grams of butter, and 100 grams of condensed milk. We need to get a tablespoon and add all of our butter into the pan. Make sure all the butter goes into the pan because you don't want to be wasting any ingredients. So we need to be stirring the butter in at a low heat, because if it's a high heat it burns. So stirring at a low heat, ensuring that it doesn't burn. Now pour in the sugar. Next we have to mix both of these until it becomes a sugary paste in our pan. Next we need to add our condensed milk and stir well. The condensed milk is the secret ingredient. Shh, don't tell anyone. Alright, now we need to add our golden syrup into the pan. We need to stir that very well, ensuring that everything is mixed nicely. Hit the song! Now it's time for the big boy stage. you need to add your oats into the pan. Make sure they all go into the pan because I dropped a few down the side, not gonna lie. You need to stir it very well. Ensure that everything is combined nicely. Play the song. So now, we need to retrieve our baking tin and place it next to the pan with the flapjack mixture in it. Now we need to pour the flapjack mixture and make sure it has an even spread. Play that song. Alright, that's looking pretty good if you ask me. Ladies and gents, this is the moment you waited for. Whoa! Put your flapjack in the oven for 22 minutes. I advise you to check a couple minutes before that. Take your flapjack out when it is golden brown on top. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, the flapjack's ready. Look at that beautiful golden brown on top. You love to see it. Close your oven door. You don't want the house to burn down. This is the moment of truth. The time to take your flapjack and cut it into little pieces. Alright, get a knife. Not too big, so you still got control over it. I think I did 4x3. If you couldn't have already told, this is a voiceover, but yeah, of course it's me baking. Yeah, so this flapjack's a bit crumbly, but that just means it's nice and delicate. So I think what I'd do here is I'd just stop the recording. I've put 3 onto a plate and then all of them will be cut out. So see you then. Here we go. All of the flapjack onto the plate and it looks amazing and delicious. Alright, that's pretty much the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and let's hope nobody takes my flapjack.
you.